everyone, Jason here, Aspiring Entrepreneur, and in this video we're going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Unbound Merino. So I did my first unboxing video of these guys about 9 months ago, and back in that video I bought a shirt and a pair of their low-cut socks. And if you're not familiar, Unbound Merino, the whole kind of premise of their clothing is that you can wear it multiple days in a row. And for someone who doesn't really like doing laundry and just likes being able to throw on a t-shirt and get on with the day, that was a really, really cool idea. And it actually turned out to work. So it worked so well that I decided to actually pick up a pair of dress socks. So it's kind of a big box for dress socks, but we'll go ahead, open it up, and check out the dress socks. So same box as last time. We've got, oh, hold on. We got two things now. We got a little note here. Thank you for supporting us. You were one of the first to tell the world about us. We appreciate it a ton. Enjoy the gifts, Dan. Oh, wow. That's this is incredible. So Dan is actually one of the founders of Unbound Merino, and he commented on the first unboxing video I did 9 months ago. But wow, that is really, really cool. Thank you so much. This is incredible, especially for such a small channel. So we've got the normal care instructions. These shirts are really tough. They hold up, but following the care instructions, they'll last much, much longer. And I can get to that in a bit here. So we're gonna go ahead and, oh, no way. Their new navy blue crew neck. I was actually thinking about getting one of these, so that's really cool. I definitely wanted to try that out. And then what do we have here? An extra pair of underwear. That is super sweet. So they gave me a shirt and an extra pair of underwear on top of the two dress socks that I ordered. So let's have some fun. Let's try these things on. Oh, much better. So before we get into the free gifts, thank you so much, Dan. Let's go over the socks. So I purchased these guys about 9 months ago along with the first black shirt. I'll get to that in a second. And I was really, really surprised at how not only did these not stink as I aired them out, but I was also able to wear them for essentially a full-on week. And so as someone who has to wear dress socks quite often, I was a little annoyed by, how many times I had to do laundry with dress socks. So I thought, hey, let's go ahead and check these bad boys out. So the first thing I noticed here is on the inside, it's very, very thick and fluffy. And then when you get to about the center, there's kind of a little bit of a thinner material, so it feels a little breathable. As you can see here, I'm wearing it, and right there is what I'm talking about. So I think that'll just help with airflow or whatever. And while these are, okay, let's get this out of the way. These are really, really comfortable. They definitely kick my Calvin Klein socks butts in terms of comfortability and thickness. So I'm really happy about that. Now I do live in Seattle, so it's a little bit colder here. I will be taking these down with me on a trip to Latin America to see how they hold up, but don't let the thickness fool you, because these guys I thought were really thick, but it was amazing how breathable and how quickly they dried out. And so I think I'm gonna have the same experience with these guys. So very, very excited. When you look at the screenshot right here, this is a week's worth of clothes. I mean, just choose your favorite pair of jeans and you are good to go for an entire week, 2 weeks, if you take care of the things and let them dry properly, especially with two shirts. So with that, the shirts, super excited about this guy. Not too much to say, just thank you so much, Dan, for the shirt. I'm gonna be wearing this and putting this one to the test just like I put this one to the test. One of the things I did want to point out though, now that I have a side-by-side comparison, 9 months, brand new, feels the same. I was wearing the shirt this morning. I'm wearing this new one now, and I've actually accidentally had this gone into the dryer a couple times, so I'm surprised, but the fluffiness and the just nice texture on the body, some people say it's itchy. It really only gets itchy if it gets wet. That's the only time. Like, I was in the middle of a rainforest, I was sweating profusely, and it was super humid. That was the only time I actually went, oh, this shirt's a little itchy. But for the rest of the time, I haven't felt the itchiness like some other people have complained about in the past, especially with the Unbound Merino shirt. So day 1 wearing it, day 9th month wearing it, and the same comfortability. Really impressed with the quality, which is why I thought I'd pick up the socks. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and the unboxing. Again, big shout out and thank you to Merino Unbound and Dan for the bonus shirt and underwear pair. I'm definitely going to be putting those to the test. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like button if you got some value out of this video, and then subscribe, because I'm documenting my entire journey of becoming more of a minimalist and working towards a digital nomad. That means I do videos and reviews like this one on merino clothing, as well as how-to digital marketing and productivity videos for solopreneurs, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. So until the next video, hit that like button, comment below if you have any questions about this shirt or Unbound Merino, and keep building the business you love. Take care.